places, which is a good sign. Good morning and welcome to another weekly edition of the vlog. I'm a day late. Supposed to post yesterday, but this ride didn't happen. This ride is finally happening now. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and let's get into a delivery. Today is a Tuesday and I'm out in a delivery to drop some food, and I basically chose the wrong place to start the video. What a climb! Not so good. It's bloody hot today. I mean, probably in the mid-30s, I think. So just picked up some food that I'll be dropping to a recipient. It's part of a everyday routine or sortie that we have. It's on 2 days. I was supposed to actually do it to another person, and he relays the food at a midpoint, but he couldn't make it. Office calls, so I'm going to do the entire route, which means a decent amount of kilometers.
Lit movie, scene rules, pedal bass, medium ring. You seen sheets, I don't wanna hear about you. And Mr. Perfect, and the way he rubs your feet without you asking. Was I asking? I don't wanna know how he kisses you right, or the way he holds you up against the wall.
So, just dropped some food, and it's hot. You can see how sweaty I am. I hope you can hear me. I've been done some modification to the mic, so it should work. And I'm also using the AirPods now, so time to get back home now. So I'm back home, I think half a kilometer more. Whoops. That was a hot ride, and a bit of a hard ride. I think, not been training, and I was supposed to do an FTP test, which I didn't. So today is gonna be some core in the evening, and I think I'm going to do the FTP test next week. Get some fitness in the legs. We're going to do some basic get your fitness back intervals, and next Monday, FTP test for sure. That's going to be the week after this vlog. So back home now. These for the winners.
Excellent. Take your choice.
Ooh.
You can make my race face one.
Yeah.
The yellow, your
See you, bro.
Keep coming.
And that's his old bike. So I'm back and heading back home. Just met Nikhil, had a quick chat. Didn't have a coffee because I didn't coffee, and yeah, back in the fixie. It feels fucking awesome. Crazy rains outside. Is it in flash? Are you worried about this bird? What's over there? Ah, see? The bird is taking refuge because it's raining outside. You know that? You know that? How's it right, bro? That's going easy, man. I'm on the fixie, see? What's that again? Say that again?
Nothing.
So we're back doing our sorties. Nikhil's my wingman, and we're off to the same place we went last Saturday. I gotta do a drop somewhere near my place. So only 8 kilos this time, thankfully. Hello. What's happening? Hello.
You're doing?
Hello. how are you?
Joy.
How are you?
Joy, Churi.
Hello, Mr. Doggo. Yeah, you can smell my doggy. I know. I know. Yes.
Joy.
So happy. He's so happy. Oh, yo. Oh, yeah.
Joy,
Good
Churi.
boy.
Oh, you Churi. Oh.
Very good boy. Very good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.
What dog is this? This is a golden retriever.
Yeah. Like a distant cousin of my doggo. There your owner's calling you. Go. He's calling you. Go. Oh, I love how he knows Kannada. So cool. You want me to ride your bike?
I feel like Benny, you're struggling, boy.
And you're gonna ride this bike with no brakes.
I mean, yeah, being the rock star that I am, like, I don't wanna just, it's whatever. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it.
I want to see this happen. Now I definitely want to see this happen. Basically waiting for the guys to come down, and there's a whole commotion here of people closing down shops, which is good. But look at the traffic, it's supposed to be a curfew. I don't know what's happening. So, delivery done, mission successful. Trying to get some dosa.
Hey, don't do that shit, you fucking dick. So, what's up, Betty? And some good water.
3 cups of water. Take a guess what's happening.
I don't.
Hello, flashing hopes. How are you? What are you describing now? Pillow?
Well, I heard the earth would feel smooth if I could hold it in palm. On a sphere this big, those hills don't roar so tall. Maybe knowing I'm a speck on a globe could be the goal of it all. So I look up and I wonder who built for me this home on a ball. Well, I drove on the top of the ball for what felt like.
What's up, bro? How's the ride so far? Yeah? Not too hard. You wear your skating tights and go. Without those, easy ride. Not so much for him, but yes, you know what's going to happen. But it's super nice to come outside and ride. And you've never been this side, right?
Yeah, I'm in the side.
It's super nice. I just remember to be safe. Mask up. Don't be like Nikhil. Wear a mask.
And I press my hands to the fringes of time and space. When hell can't wipe this smile from my face. Oh, when hell can't wipe this smile from my face. You told me, oh child, I gave you the world. Oh child, I gave you the world.
Mini Nandi.
What is this called?
Mini Nandi.
Mini Nandi.
Mini Nandi. Let's enjoy the climb now.
Well, you told me, oh child, I gave you the world. Oh child, I gave you the world. Ah, oh, well, I can't seem to get this.
So far. Not bad, huh? You know Leander?
Huh?
Leander.
Yeah.
He has a com here.
Oh, really?
59 seconds, I think. Till the top, very top.
Wow.
So those of you who know Bangalore, know me, Nandi. It's a nice, short, kicking climb. And it's good to be back here after fucking eons. Yeah. My front trailer's not working, so climbing on my big ring. Not ideal.
I just scream and kick and cry and beg. Bite my nails about this daily bread. That's just fuel to do the things you said. 'Cause I want more, as if that's why I'm here. But I exist to see you in fear. See you guys.
How's it, bro? Yeah?
Should I stop it? Sava?
I don't know. Where's the doggo?
Come, we go to my place.
Bro, I have work.
So blind.
I need to edit this video.
Hey, not bad.
Join the choirs and stand as loud and clear. Child, I give you the world. Oh, child, I gave you the world. But you told me, oh, child, I gave you the world. Oh, child,
Yo, what up, Paul?
I gave you the world.
It's Fish.